Hi students, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to discuss the program 8.11 in page number 156 of the 9th class textbook. So students, the program is to generate random numbers to roll a dice 2 times. So the same kind of program we have discussed in the previous video. So it's almost same program. So students, this program is to roll a dice 2 times. Means, so when we throw a dice, the values we may get are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, isn't it? So these are the possible values that we are going to get after rolling a dice, isn't it? So students, you can see that these are the integer numbers belongs to 1 and 6, in between 1 and 6, both inclusive, isn't it? So as we have done the program in the previous video, so we can write that the value of min is 1, isn't it? And value of max is 6. So we can write the range. Range will be max minus min plus 1, which means 6 minus 1 plus 1 will be 6. So this is the range. So this program we are going to do by the help of random function only, math.random. Math.random function, isn't it? So students, this math.random function will print values such as 0.0, 0.0111 like that. Then we can round it. We can round to 0.1, then 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 and 0.9. These are the possible output of math.random. I just rounded all these values to 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3. Okay. So as we have done in the previous video, means we will multiply it with range. Okay, after multiplying it with range, we can get 0.6. Okay, so here it will be 1.2 will be 1.8, 2.4, 3.5, 3.0, 3.6, 4.2, 4.8, 5.4. So these are the results after multiplying with 6. Okay. So students, we don't need this. We don't need this decimal part, isn't it? We only need integer part, because what is the actual output? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the output. These are in integer form, in integer format. So students, we can remove this decimal part. Okay. So what we can do, then after removing this decimal part, the possible values are 0, 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay. Okay, students. So actually, how many values we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values we got. Okay. So the number of actual output is 6. The possible numbers are 6. Here also we got 6. But students, we don't need this 0. Okay. But at the bottom we need one more. We need one more digit. So what we can do? We can simply add 1 with all these values. So after adding 1, we will get 1 here. Then 1 plus 1, 2 will be here. 2 plus 1, 3. Here it will be 4, 5 and 6. See, now you can see we are getting the actual result which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This one is the actual result. So how we got this actual result? From here, by adding 1. Actually, what is 1? We can see min, the value of min is 1. So from here what we can do? We can write the formula here. Okay. The formula will be, the formula to find out, the formula to get this result will be okay, the formula will be math.random. So this math.random will printing this one. Then we are multiplying with the range. Okay. Range. Okay. Then after we are adding, then we removed this decimal part. Okay. That we can do at last. Then after we added this 1. 1 means adding min. Okay. Then we are adding min to it. Then what we have done? We have removed this decimal part. For removing this decimal part, we can do type conversion, isn't it? So int. Okay. So this explicit typecasting will remove this decimal part and return only the integer part. Okay. So the actual formula is math.random multiplied by range plus min. Then we are typecasting it in order to remove the decimal part. Okay. Then we can just do this program. So first of all we can define the main method. Then from here we can understand we need 3 variables, min, max and range of int type. Okay. Int min will be here 1. Then max will be 6. Then we can declare range. Range is also int. Range is equal to max minus min plus 1. Okay, students. Then we can directly apply the formula. Okay. So the formula is math.random. Okay. So we can check which value is printing by math.random. System.out.println math.random. Okay. So no syntax error message we got. So this is our program. So we got the output 0.88. When we execute one more time, we are getting another value 0.04, then 0.9, then 0.7, 0.2, 0.8, 0.3, 0.9 again, 0.04, then 0.04 again, 0.02. So like that values will be varied whenever we are executing each time. We are only executing this one math.random. Then here we were multiplying with So according to our formula, math.random, isn't it? Our formula is, I can write the formula here, okay. Math.random multiplied by range plus min. Then we will typecast it. Okay, so this is our formula. Okay students, so we have checked the result of math.random. Okay, then we are going to multiply it with range. Okay, now we can check the result. Going to execute. So we are getting 5 point something, okay, 5.9, then 2.3, then we will get 3 point something, 3 point something again, then 0.8. So these kinds of values we are getting. So if we neglect this decimal part, we can check the result once again. 0, again 0, again 0, 5, again 5, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5. So if you notice, you can understand that we are getting values from 0 till 5, isn't it? We are not getting any values greater than 5 or less than 0. So as we have done here, we are going to add 1 with each value. So how can we add? The 1 means 1 is stored in the variable min. So we can add min here. Okay, now we can check the result once again after adding min. Then 3 point something. Okay, we can neglect the decimal part. Then we got 1, 2, 5, 6. See, now we are getting 6. Earlier we haven't got 6. Then 5, then 4, then 1 again, then 5, again 1. So see, we are not getting 0 here. Okay. So now we are getting values from 1 to 6. Okay. So now we can remove this decimal part completely. How can we remove? So see students, this complete statement which I have selected is returning a double value or decimal value. So we need to typecast this complete statement. Okay, so we can give a bracket. Okay, then here we are going to use the typecasting operator, which is int. Now we can compile and check what it is printing. So that decimal part is removed completely. Then we are getting 4, again 4, 2, again 2, 4, 3, then 6, then 1, then 5, then 6, then 6. Okay, so now we got the result. Okay, actually the program is asking to generate random numbers to roll a dice 2 times. So 2 times means we need to execute the same 2 times. Okay, so if you want, you can add here first row. Okay, fi Okay, in first row we got 5, second row we got 1. Okay, in both rows we got 2. Okay, in first row we got 5, second row we got 3, then 2 and 4. Like that, the value will be changed each time. Okay students, I hope you could understand the concept of this program. So thank you students.